Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to update TikTok on your iPhone. So if you come over here, I have my TikTok application, and as you know, it's not updated. So to update it, I'll either choose to update it from the App Store over here or to update it from a browser. So I opt to update it from a browser. I can choose Safari browser or Chrome browser. So I choose I choose Chrome browser. So I'll come over here and then open up the Chrome browser. And then once I open up the Chrome browser, what I'll do is quite simple. I'll then open up a new tab. And then once I open up a new tab on the search bar over here, I'll tap over here and then download TikTok for iPhone free. Then I'll tap on the search. So once I tap on the search, they'll bring for me a list of websites that I can get this TikTok application. As you can see, I can get it from SoftNik over here. So quickly, I'll open up the SoftNik website and then I'll be able to download the latest version. As you can see, it's a free download over here and it's a free version. So once I download this application over here, which is the latest version, this means I'll automatically install it and then my TikTok will automatically become updated. So simply, that's a step-by-step guide on how to do this. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.